Look at those guys. They already went around the course already, and they don't get enough. They try to do it again.
Of course. Yeah.
All right, he's giving you a chance.
Winner!
Gravedigger needs weight.
Thank you.
Oh, who can flip it back? Who can flip it back? Try to flip back without touching it. Oh! Okay, you can touch it now. You won.
One more or what? Last one? You're looking like you're tilting a bit there. It's starting to... It's a GMC, what do you expect?
Oh, that's it. Push him off now. Whoa. Whoa, nice recovery. Whoa, drives off.
Too fast. Winner! Daniel! Too fast, too furious. Kid's been playing with it a half hour now. Man, this thing's taking some abuse.
Well, it's a monster truck, it's supposed to.
No, I had my neighbor upstairs, her daughter had
She good.
a month ago. And she had 3 little boys. So I took them out in the field like last week.
Okay, Grant.
And they've been, ever since then, non-stop with their...
Push him off, push him off. Whoa! Whoa!
Tiebreaker. Oh, there goes the line bar. Almost. That was a good knockout.
Yeah, I can see. I'm doing something that I'm good at. I actually drive demo cars. So I know this. I know the tricks.
Sweet spot. You up for one more?
Sure.
All right.
Why not?
I'm a sucker for punishment.
Why? I look like I took more.